One of the best parts of traveling is meeting people. Sometimes someone starts a conversation with you. You meet locals at a cafe, or a restaurant owner talks to you while you are eating. And often, even knowing a few simple Korean expressions can help interactions feel much warmer and more comfortable. Today is day 6, and we're focusing on introducing yourself, meeting people, basic social conversations, and common expressions you may hear while traveling in Korea. Vocabulary. Social words. 이름, name. 친구, friend. 한국, Korea. 외국인, foreigner. 처음, first time. 조금, a little. 추천, recommendation. Food and restaurant words. 맛있어요. It's delicious. 매워요. It's spicy. 짜요. It's salty. 달아요. It's sweet. 김치. kimchi. 음식. food. Let's start with some useful words and expressions you may hear during social interactions in Korea. Introducing yourself. 이름이 뭐예요? What's your name? 저는 예요. I am. 만나서 반가워요. Nice to meet you. 어디에서 왔어요? Where are you from? 저는 미국에서 왔어요. I'm from the United States. 한국 좋아해요. I like Korea. 한국어 공부하고 있어요. I'm studying Korean. Reacting to others. 진짜요? Really? 아, 그래요? Oh, really? 아, 그렇군요. I see. 좋네요. That's nice. Restaurant expressions. 맛있어요. It's delicious. 이거 맛있네요. This is delicious. 이거 너무 매워요. It's too spicy. 이거 너무 짜요. It's too salty. 이거 너무 달아요. It's too sweet. 이거 뭐예요? What is this? 매운 음식 못 먹어요. I can't eat spicy food. 추천해 주세요. Please recommend something. 잘 먹었습니다. Thank you for the meal. Before we move into conversations, let's look at a few small cultural and language tips that can help these expressions sound more natural. A very common expression after eating is 잘 먹었습니다. This is commonly said after finishing a meal, when leaving a restaurant, or after someone cooks for you. It is a warm and polite way to thank someone for the meal. Even small expressions like this can make social interactions feel much more natural and friendly while traveling in Korea. Generally speaking, in Korean culture, people may sometimes ask your name, where you are from, what you do, or even your age fairly early in conversation. For many travelers, this can feel surprisingly personal at first. But usually, these questions are meant to be friendly and help people understand how to speak and interact with you more naturally. In Korea, age can affect speech style, politeness level, and social relationships. For example, people who are similar in age may gradually speak more casually with each other, while younger people often speak more politely to older people. But as a traveler, you don't need to worry too much about this. Using polite expressions like 안녕하세요, 감사합니다, and 저는 예요 is already completely appropriate in most travel situations. You may also notice small politeness behaviors during conversations. For example, giving a small nod or bow, speaking gently, using two hands when giving or receiving something, or waiting politely while someone speaks. These small actions can make interactions feel warmer and more respectful. You may also notice that Korean conversations can sometimes sound softer or less direct than English conversations. For example, people may speak more indirectly, avoid sounding too strong or confrontational, or respond more modestly to compliments. Because of this, tone and politeness can sometimes matter as much as the actual words being used. So, even simple expressions spoken calmly and politely can leave a very positive impression. Now let's see how these expressions can naturally appear in real conversations while traveling in Korea. Meeting someone at a cafe. Imagine, you are sitting at a cafe in Korea and someone nearby starts a friendly conversation. 안녕하세요. Hello. 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? What's your name? 저는 Alex이에요. I'm Alex. 만나서 반가워요. Nice to meet you. 만나서 반가워요. 어디에서 왔어요? Where are you from? 저는 미국에서 왔어요. I'm from the United States. 미국 어디에서 왔어요? Where in the United States are you from? 뉴욕에서 왔어요. I'm from New York. 한국 처음이에요? Is this your first time in Korea? 네, 처음이에요. Yes, it's my first time. 한국 정말 좋아해요. I really like Korea. 여기 정말 재미있어요. It's really fun here. 진짜요? Really? 네, 음식도 맛있어요. Yes, the food is delicious too. 한국어 잘하시네요. Your Korean is good. 감사합니다. Thank you. 한국어 공부하고 있어요. I'm studying Korean. 와, 대단해요. 열심히 공부하세요. Wow, that's amazing. Keep studying hard. 감사합니다. Thank you. Talking with the restaurant owner. 맛있어요? Is it delicious? 네, 맛있어요. Yes, it's delicious. 매운 음식 괜찮아요? Are spicy foods okay for you? 조금 매워요. It's a little spicy. Or 너무 매워요. It's too spicy. 외국인한테는 좀 매울 수 있어요. It can be a little spicy for foreigners. 물 드릴까요? Would you like some water? 이거 뭐예요? What is this? 김치예요. It's kimchi. 맛있네요. This is delicious. 추천 메뉴 있어요? Do you have a recommended menu item? 네, 불고기 추천해요. Yes, I recommend 불고기. After finishing your meal, 잘 먹었습니다. Thank you for the meal. 감사합니다. Now let's quickly review some of the most useful expressions from today's lesson. How do you ask, "What's your name?" 이름이 뭐예요? How do you say, "I'm from the United States"? 저는 미국에서 왔어요. How do you say, "Nice to meet you"? 만나서 반가워요. How do you say, "This is delicious"? 맛있어요. How do you say, "Really"? 진짜요? What do you say after finishing a meal? 잘 먹었습니다. Nice job today. Now you know some of the most useful Korean expressions for introducing yourself, meeting people, having simple conversations, reacting naturally during meals, and interacting more comfortably while traveling in Korea. And remember, you do not need fluent Korean to connect with people. Even small efforts, greeting someone, introducing yourself, reacting naturally, or complimenting food can create warm and memorable interactions. If you enjoyed today's lesson, remember to like and subscribe. And come hang out in Korean again soon.